Hey everyone, welcome back to Mon-Fri! Today we got a bit of a scenario role play I want to show you. Just first of all, today's video is sponsored by LaVivid. If you want to get 15% off each order, use code SAM15. Right, back to the video. So, I was thinking of this in a way where you're worried about getting a hair system, or you may even be new to having a hair system and worried about a few different situations. So, you know, I thought I'd role play it for you so you could see what you think people are going to say compared to what they are actually going to say. I might not say exactly, I'm basing this on my experiences and people I know. So, there's a few out there, I'm playing with the ideas. Enjoy, and as usual, like and subscribe if you are enjoying my videos. Let's make a start. Got it. I'm back. What do you think? Look at that! What's on your head? What is it? Get rid of him! Look! Oh mate, that looks awesome. Look at you. Completely changes you. You look well different. Mate, you know, I'm jealous I've got hair, but now that is hair. Love it, mate. Love it. Look really good. Hiya. I'm Steve. Nice to meet you. Look nice. Oh my god. What is that on your head? Why are you wearing a wig? It looks weird. Oh. Hi. Oh, you look nice. Yeah. Yeah, so what should we get to drink? Oh, it's a bit windy today. Hold on. Hold on. No. It's a bit windy today. Ooh. Mm. How you doing? Understand? Nice to meet you. Yep. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, gorgeous. Alright, hold on, hold on. Let's take a picture. Ooh. Come here often? Yeah. I can wear clothes I haven't worn for ages. Hello, sailor. You come here often? No, nice comment. I'm not 30. Yeah, I'm actually 40. Well, a bit above, but you know, it's just, I think it's the hair, you know, it keeps a younger look. Yeah, yeah. You want my number? Oh, okay, yeah, sure. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I wanted to, you know, make it fun along with, you know, what expectations are. With a hair system, you know, you are always going to have some form of fear of it. You know, it really is about the acceptance of a hair system because it is a life changer. You know, you do have these typical worries, and a lot of them are dumbfounded. They're not really an issue. So if you ever think about taking the plunge, keep watching the videos, do some research on the internet, and you'll know that it's getting bigger every day. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Peace out, Spartan love.